and so fast. What the 49ers did to the Saints surprised a lot of people. But any of the four teams, any matchup in the Super Bowl will be compelling. There's a lot of Super Bowl experience among these four teams. It's going to be, again, another exciting football weekend.
All right, we'll be watching. Thanks so much, Mike.
You're welcome.
Prostitutes in Nevada raising cash for Republican presidential candidate Ron Paul. And they're using their customers to do it. Why they favor him over his
I'm
rivals?
surprised they ain't going in favor of a Republican.
I'm Bob Edwards of Sirius XM Public Radio. Coming up, Angelina Jolie talks with me about her first film as a director, In the Land of Blood and Honey, and she told me something surprising.
I never intended to become a director or writer.
She also told me it was a hard story to film.
What? This is a long train.
I know. See it in what do you call that place? In Conroe, man, you see a train, you turn back around.
God almighty.
The heavy thing that
So you're gonna pick up Reggae XM.
Yeah, they don't play nothing nice. Today's Monday. Today's Monday. Oh, they have
The willpower of it.
Marley Monday.